TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. It's 9 a.m., 30 minutes to go until that opening bell. And let's check in on the markets as it looks like a lower opening so far. Excuse me. You have the S&P futures negative by 10 points, trading at 26.24. NASDAQ negative by 21 points, trading at 65.05. And the Dow currently negative by 36 points, trading at 23,948. So quite a day yesterday in the markets in terms of a sell-off across all the major indices. This morning, we were lower, getting a little bit of a bid this morning in about the last hour. Let's jump over to the VIX this morning. So almost reaching 20 yesterday, 1966 being the high. This morning, so far, 1854 on that VIX. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets with 30 minutes to go until that opening bell. S&P 500 currently trading 26.27. We were as low as about 26.20, give or take about an hour and a half ago, 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time. NASDAQ 100 also off the pre-market, pre-session lows, currently trading 65.14. We were down there at about 64.80 on two occasions, call it 5 a.m. and 7:30. Dow Jones currently trading 23,983. We were a solid 100 points or more below that level at about 7:30 Eastern Time before we started getting a little bit of a bid. It's still earnings season. We'll jump over. We have Boeing earnings, which may be putting some bid in the Dow, the Dow futures especially. Crude oil trading 67.57. Crude, of course, we'll get the EIA numbers an hour and a half from right now, 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. I'll be on the air live with Tom for those. Gold contract struggling a bit this morning, 1321.85 on gold, most of the pre-market session after a decent day yesterday, but today in the overnight session trading lower, and Bitcoin also trading lower overnight, currently trading 91.30. So in terms of earnings season, let's jump over. We have Boeing coming out with their earnings and doing well. Boeing closed yesterday 329.06, currently trading about 335, spiked up there to about 340, and Boeing came in with earnings of $3.64 a share, beating the estimate of $2.58. Quite a number for sure. We'll see if those gains can hold. And Twitter as well, doing well. Spiked all the way up to $35.90 on Twitter. They came in with earnings per share of 4 cents with an adjusted profit of 16 cents per share. Revenue was well above forecast and saw greater than expected addition of 336 million monthly average users. Stay tuned. Larry Pesavento coming up right now. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Have a great day, everybody.